Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sushant Patil, working as Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of Anna Saheb Dange College of Engineering and Technology, Ashta. Our institute, ADCET, has completed 25 years, so this year we are celebrating Silver Jubilee of our institute. Recently, ADCET is awarded with A++ grade by NAAC and we stood first in rural Maharashtra. While celebrating Silver Jubilee year, we ADCETians are going to organize a mega event named Discovery 2K23. This is an event of the year which will be held at national level. So book the date 28th of October and show your participation at ADCET Ashta. Next, my student coordinators will explain the details of this mega event Discovery 2K23.
Discovery is a national level symposium which provides you the platform to showcase your technical as well as non-technical skills. There are total 18 events. By participating, you can find out excellence in you. So question arises that how to participate?
Let me tell you how to participate in the event. The total registration process is an online process. First of all, you have to make the payment of the event for which you are registering, and then you can head to the Google form. You can fill all the details asked in the Google form to confirm your registration.
You can get more details on our website.
Hey guys, in the Discovery event, Civil Department has two exciting sub-events coming up. Showcase your presentation skill in our presentation competition, and you can also showcase your engineering and creative skill in bridge building and design competition. That is Prakal.
Department of Aeronautical Engineering is organizing 3 events. The first event is water rocket, wherein you have to bring your own kit and the model should be made according to the given dimensions, and the launch stand will be provided by us. The next event is glider. The kit of making glider will be provided by us. You have to make the glider on spot and win. The winner will be decided by the distance traveled. The next event is paper presentation, and some of the topics are space tourism and commercial space flights, unmanned aerial vehicles and advancement in supersonic flights, and many more. So grab this opportunity to showcase your skills and creativity and win exciting prizes.
Department of Electrical Engineer organized 2 events. First one is a circuit builder and second one is a paper presentation. In circuit builder, there are 2 rounds. First round is a quiz competition. In that, electrical quiz will be there. In second round, the electrical components and circuit diagram is provided to you. You have to build the circuit on breadboard and prove it. In this event, your intelligence and teamwork is required, so prove it. Another event is a paper presentation. In this event, recently topic electrical vehicle, battery management system, energy resources. This general topic is there. So participate in and win the prize.
The Department of Food Technology is organizing 2 events. The first one is paper presentation. It is an excellent opportunity for researchers, scholars and students from food technology and allied engineering disciplines to showcase their innovative ideas through research and compelling findings. The next event is Ideathon. This event is all about creativity and forward thinking. We invite people from food technology and allied background to share their unique ideas, concepts and prototypes.
Along with paper presentation, CSE department organized 2 exciting sub-events, B-Plan and Code to Complete. In B-Plan, group of 2 students can participate in the event. Students should present their business idea on poster. Second event is nothing but Code to Complete. In this event, we provide 2 problem statements. You can solve this problem statement with your technical skills. This is an excellent opportunity for all coders, so grab this opportunity.
The Department of IoT is adding 2 events, Century Hitters and Catch the Flag. Century Hitter is a soccer-themed video game named as Rocket League, where players use rocket-powered cars to hit a goal. Catch the Flag is a cybersecurity game where players should find hidden flags and showcase their hacking skills. So grab this opportunity and showcase your talent.
From Mechanical Department, along with the paper presentation group 1, we are also adding 2 more events into the picture, that is Robo Race and Ring Kit Making. In Robo Race, you have to bring your own robot cars and complete the track. And in Ring Kit Make It, you have to assemble and disassemble various kinds of mechanical components. Both these events are time-based, so grab this opportunity and register now.
Along with paper presentation, the Department of AIDs will have 2 events, Technomela and BGMI Campus Dominators. let's showcase our technical expertise in this Techno Mela, where we will have technical presentation competition, and in BGMI, let's rise and battle in the ultimate gaming arena.
So participate in Discovery 2023 and get a chance to win prizes from a prize pool worth 1 lakh rupees. Also, every participation will ensure you a participation certificate. So grab this opportunity and showcase the excellence that you have within you.